Here in Boiling Rock. My buddy, he's in there, Billy Goat, guy I met back in January. He picked me up last night, and as y'all seen, we went to Outback Steakhouse, and he treated me to one of the best steak dinners I've had in a long time. I had a bone-in New York strip, mac and cheese, and a loaded baked potato. Oh my goodness, that was good. Then cooked me breakfast this morning, and we're getting ready to go down once I get packed up. Getting ready to go down the food line to get a couple snacks and stuff to get me to Asheville. And once we get back to Linville, we got about 77 miles to there. So we got amazing weather next couple days, so we're going to try to push it to Asheville before the rain comes. But yeah, anyways, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll get back to you once we get back to Linville.
Yeah, there's not much here. I'll send it later.
That's Grandfather and the whole Grandfather range right there.
It's Grant Rock sitting up there. Looks like a tank sitting on top. That is McCrae's. The hump behind it is actually attic window.
Yeah.
And you can't see Callaway because Callaway is hiding behind it. It's even taller.
Yeah.
Not much, about 100 feet taller, but it's behind it where you can't see it.
Yeah. And a huge thanks to this dude right here. That's Mountain Goat. Met him back in January around Shenandoah, and he's the one that picked me up in Linville yesterday. Took me out to eat and everything that y'all seen, and then brought me back up here to the Parkway. We're just maybe, 3 miles from where you picked me up?
Yep.
Just up the hill.
Yep.
So, yeah, now we got, I think, about 70 some odd miles to Asheville. But thank you again, brother. And it was awesome seeing you again.
Good to see you too.
Yeah.
I'll keep an eye on your trip.
Yeah, thank you. Sitting here at Camp Creek Overlook. Can't really see nothing here. We're just sitting here taking a break. Going about just a little over 10 miles so far. And one thing about the Parkway, it's never level. You're either going up or down. But I've stopped at these overlooks, as y'all know, because of all the views and everything. And I can't get nowhere from all these views and then just people talking to me. It's just been an amazing ride so far this morning. It's not really all that cold, even going like 20 mile an hour downhill. Thankfully, mostly because of this suit I got whenever I got the boots off. It's made by Rock Brothers. It's fleece lined, windproof in the front. Same thing on the pants. And on the back, it's vented, so it helps you not overheat when you're going uphill. And it's amazing not having that wind go straight through what I'm wearing anymore. These pants and this jacket has been a complete game changer. Man, I can't even fly down this hill because of all these overlooks. Just holy cow. Waiting until y'all see this. Holy cow, y'all. So pretty. Holy cow.